Hello, this is Dr. Rekha Khalid, and I'm here to explain you about the most scientific method of understanding astrology in the most practical and logical manner. And this method is called Chakra Astrology. We have been teaching it since last few years. And why this, how this, let me tell you. First thing is, when we talk about astrology, we talk about stars and planets and constellations. But yes, each of these things is always and necessarily with reference to our planet Earth. That means the stars in each constellation or in each sun sign, they don't have any connection with each other, but we see them together because of our distance with them from our planet Earth. First of all, when you start studying chakra astrology, you understand this fact. Then, when it comes to planets, all the 9 planets, Navagrahas that we talk about, well, out of the 9 planets, let me tell you, one is a star, that is Sun. One is a satellite, that is Moon. The other 5 are planets. Since we are on planet Earth, we do not talk about planet Earth. And the 2 things, Rahu and Ketu, they are the axis of the Earth. So these are neither the planets, nor stars, nor satellites. But still, we call all of them as grahas. So that is our attitude to look at these things. Number 1. Now, what exactly is the impact they would do on us? And yes, normally logical-minded person would say, how come the stars and planets which are so much far away from us would impact us? They're not wrong. Those things actually don't impact. Then what impacts? Yes, the fact is that when those constellations, when those stars, when those planets are seen in the sky, that time the atmosphere on the Earth where we are located, it has certain qualities, and those things of our surrounding, they impact us. Now, this is the first logical thing which everybody should understand. So, worshipping some planet is not going to help you here. But yes, when that planet is there, there is some impact on you. This, once you understand, you could understand one more thing. When you see all these things with reference to our chakras, and our chakras do have certain specific qualities, specifications. So naturally, as we go on seeing all these things, we understand how when the planet is at a particular position, a particular chakra gets affected, or that effect is either positive or negative. And whatever is the effect, what we can do to enhance the positive effect and reduce the negative. Now, these things are what we can do. This is not by doing any puja. This is not by wearing any suit. This is by thinking in a specific manner, having a certain attitude, using some specific colors around us, or focusing on a certain type of diet, because if a certain chakra is getting weaker, that means it requires a specific type of diet to bring it to its right shape. So these are all very practical things. And when we look at our birth chart in this practical manner, when we give this kind of a practical reading, I'm damn sure we can have a clear-cut graph of life for every individual after seeing the birth chart. And this exactly is something which you are going to learn in chakra astrology. Now, this chakra astrology is an online workshop. Why online? It is easy. Wherever you are, you can attend it. But still, it is not pre-recorded. Why? Because it is online, but it is live online, so that you can interact with the trainers. You can ask your questions. You can feel free to keep on asking your questions till you get correct answers. And let me tell you, I'm absolutely committed to answer every question of every seeker. That is very clear. Because unless your questions are answered, you are not going to understand things clearly. That is but obvious. And so we have 40 live online sessions. Not too long, but about 1 hour each. And of course, Saturday, Sunday, you are going to have your holiday. We are not going to study at the cost of your family time, but we are going to study from Monday to Friday in the evenings, after you get free from your work. So that is what it is going to be. Now, normally we conduct the workshops once in a year. After watching the video, please go to the description box below and check out for the next sessions or the next announced batch for chakra astrology, and you can also look for the specifications of registration, how you would register yourself. And remember, even after you complete your training, you will have an access to the recording of your training sessions on our website, Multiversity of Success. Okay, so remember that we will be giving you the link once you have completed the workshop, so that your lifetime you will be able to revise anytime, and during that time, if you have any questions and queries, you can also get in touch with us lifetime and you can get your questions answered. So, if you are a healer, if you are an astrologer, if you are a psychologist, if you are a color therapist, if you are a Vastu consultant, that means if you are interested in any kind of energy work, or if you are just a spiritual seeker, in either way, chakra astrology is a workshop for you. So, go ahead and register for chakra astrology without wasting time. Bye.